Mabuhay! Ako po si Joanne Minya Nebrida, ang taga-timpla ng kape ng Sartin Cafe. We've been in coffee business since the pandemic. We started our coffee shop in our humble garage on June 2020. So, it all started with the desire na gusto lang naming magkabing mag-asawa. Hanggang sa we started buying, we call this the brudol. Na-brudol kami, bumili kami ng mga gamit dahil gusto naming magkape. Until such time that we were pushed by our friends to set up our own coffee shop. So eventually, with my desire to learn further about coffee, kasi this is good thing about coffee, once you start your coffee passion, you can stop until you get what you want. So we started operating our coffee shop. Then we eventually ventured in coffee roasting. Through the help of DTI, sila actually yung unang nagbigay sa amin ng aming unang coffee roaster. We roast coffee beans. We only roast as you order. We also produce coffee drip. And even if cold brew coffee has been our main product noong umpisa pa, through the help of the branding na ginawa ng DTI for us, it gave us the courage to offer the Litro ready-to-drink coffee. That's one of our milestones now. And we've been through a lot of setbacks then, and one way of getting up is setting a partnership business with Daphne Bangunan. Together with her, naput up po namin itong Quaderno by Sartin Cafe. Our idea about Sartin kasi, with the mindset kasi when you go into a coffee shop na ang coffee mahal, we would like to do away from that kind of mindset by offering the rural vibe. The coffee beans inside the Sartin are actually the 4 types of coffee beans. The circle is a continuous improvement, and the handle entails responsibility. We just feel the responsibility na meron kaming role para ipakilala ang kape ng Nueva Vizcaya, ang kape ng Pilipinas. How did DTI contribute to my branding? Ako kasi, lahat po ng seminars na itatapon ni DTI sa akin is always a yes. So, I'm a graduate of your KMME program hanggang nung nagkaroon po ng call for Wanna Make a Mark, I really enrolled. So, isa po sa pagbangon namin recently ay yung ma-receive na po namin yung IPO rights namin for the Sartin Cafe. Since mula nung nag-umpisa kami at sa lahat ng magiging anak pa ng Sartin, alam namin na it will still carry the name of Sartin Cafe with the same advocacy. In the dawn of our operation, syempre sobrang kakunti lang yung mga nagkakape dati. We make sure that we have a personalized level of learning by introducing them what are the different types of beans. Kasi nung umpisa dito sa Bambang way back 2020, ang akala nila sa kape pare-pareho ang lasa. So in that case, we may say that dumami po yung mga nagkakape. And not just that, we are so blessed na yung mga dating nagkakape sa Sartin na kahit hanggang alas 11 na ng gabi, meron na silang mga coffee shops ngayon. At isa po yun sa pinaka masayang part na, ayun, nagising mo sila na anything is possible. Kahit nag-start po kami sa garahe, we believe that we somehow created an impact in the community. I'm very careful kasi when it comes to the releasing of our coffee beans, parang I consider it kasi as a masterpiece. We are so blessed. May mga nag-order na sa aming mga coffee shops sa Manila, sa La Union, and even in Samar. And recently, nasusupplyan na rin namin yung mga ibang market namin sa labas. Although we are so blessed na yung mga bumibili pa rin sa amin ng coffee beans in the past, pag umuwi sila ng Vizcaya, nabebentahan pa rin naman namin sila. So, in terms of market reach, I can say na may mga nakikilala kaming mga bago. Our competitive advantage remains the same. We complete your coffee experience. So we still support local coffee farmers, and as much as possible, we would like to support also other local industry like the cacao industry, since we're using cacao for our mocha, and at the same time, we're thinking to bridge connection with our local dairy industry. How do we wish our brand to be perceived by the public? Again, evolving on our tagline, we complete your coffee experience. We make sure that our coffee is well selected, ethically sourced, and carefully roasted by pouring our passion in everything that we do. From the bean selection to bridging with coffee farmers up to serving the coffee cup. All of our staff in our higher grounds actually is advocating as a social enterprise for working students, fulfilling dreams one cup at a time. For our future plans, ayoko naman pong plano mag-isa. This time, I'm planning it with my husband, my lifetime partner. Our heart bursts out always for our social enterprise, which is to set up fully yung Higher Grounds by Sardine Cafe, na sana makatulong pa kami ng mas maraming mga estudyante na makapagtapos. And not to mention, to set up our first outside Bambang's venture, which is in Manico, sa Ikigay Park, which is Sakura by Sardine Cafe. Ako po si Joanne, at ito po ang aking lifetime partners na si Alan. At kami po ang pangalan sa likod ng Sardine Cafe.